Hey brother sister, Hosebo, this is Terry and TLJ Solution. 大家好 brother sister. Okay, I understand in the whole market, built-in fridges are very expensive. If you used to stay in Sentosa, Keppel area, Eastside Park, you always understand that there's brands like Smack, Bosch, Miller, maybe even Whirlpool has already been pre-installed in your house itself, the built-in fridge. Then you try to find a replacement. Then you try to go back to Miller, try to go back to Bosch. Then you find that, oh, prices are very ouch, a little bit more on the expensive side, and you try to look for a replacement. TLJ Solution, today we have one very good news for you. We managed to get a very good known German brand, okay, to replace all these built-in fridges with all the carpentry done on our end. So basically, if you are keen to replace your old fridge that is faulty, but you don't want to do a very major makeover of your cabinet itself, right? So over here at TLJ Solution, we actually has a fridge that fits that area using your existing current board. Okay, we have a lot of few samples that we can send you. So if you want to look for built-in fridge to replace and not too costly, we have very good price for you. Okay, PM us for more details. If you need more help, PM us, we can reply you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. We are TLJ Solution, your home, our solution.